Hey guys, well, my name is Joshua Michael, and this is GB Studios. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to animate something like this with only your Android or smartphone. It's very easy. So first, before we get in all this, I'm going to show you guys the basic things you need to know about it. Now, first, the app I use is called Autodesk Sketchbook. It's called Autodesk Sketchbook. This is the picture. If you go to Play Store and search it, you will see something. You will see it, and you just download it in your Android or smartphone. Autodesk Sketchbook. That is the name. You can write it down. So in this one, I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to go to New Sketch. Just any other thing like so. See, just gonna see current sketch. So now this is our new layer of photo. I'm going to be showing you guys the basic things you need to know about this app. Okay, so now the first thing you need to know is all this brush. So as I went there, I just need to tap this icon. It took me here. These are all the brushes. It might look complicated, but all of them have a specific way of doing things, right? So I'm going to be showing you the basic things you need to know about these brushes, because you need to master all these brushes and what their importance and everything is for. So let's say these basic pencils are just for your normal, you can see, just for your normal drawing, but I don't really use these basics. The ones I use is sometimes legacy. See, this airbrush and some of these brushes are used for your shading or bringing out outlines. So, and the most important brush I use always this traditional. So you can see felt pen. So you can see is used for filling in, like this. So it's used for drawing and other kind of things. So you can see there's still soft airbrush, there's hard airbrush. Those ones are also for shading, and these are the ones I normally use. So you can see how it is. This is how it is. So imagine you drawing something, maybe you want to bring out a shading of a place or something like that. You can use these ones. And the main thing is you can actually use glue. Now, glow is for you bringing out shines in something. Let's say, okay, let me turn this background black. Let me show you something now. Let me turn this background black, as you can see. Now watch what this does. If I go here and tap color now to white, now if I just tap once, let's say I increase the size. If I just tap once, you can see how it comes out. Now you can actually use this one. For example, you are editing someone with earring, you can actually put that in the earring to make it look more cool. Yeah, so now let's turn this, okay, let's do it like this. Now another importance of something is smudge. Now if you maybe go to YouTube and search something, maybe you might not understand those ones, but the main thing they use is smudge. Smudge is used to soften or smoothing surfaces, maybe a face of something or something like that, maybe something that is soft, or let me just say something that is rough. You can actually use smudge to smoothen it, right? So these are the basic materials. You can actually look at them yourself, master all the tools, maybe not all of them, but the ones that I'm going to use and teach you. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, the name of this app is Autodesk Sketchbook. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store very free. It's not for up to maybe 50 MB or something like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.